Hello friends, welcome to Amma's Kitchen. Today, me and my mom making a veggie soup from the scratch. So let's go. We got some carrots, green beans, cabbage and bean sprout, mushrooms, tomatoes, shallot and garlic, green onions and beans. These are the ingredients my mom using, but you're not obviously limited to these. So my mom loved to use the dry beans, but obviously you don't have to. If I were you, I would also use the canned beans. But if you were someone like my mom and if you want to go with the dry beans, this is how she prepared them. First, she soaked the beans overnight to soften it, and she boils it in a pressure cooker for about 2 whistles. I know, it whistles. But if you happen to boil it in a regular pot, I would say just boil it for about 30 minutes. While she's cooking the beans, she starts to chop all the veggies. Once she's done chopping all the veggies, she starts to cook the soup. So first, she bring up the pot to medium heat and she adds some olive oil. She add the chopped garlic, shallot, and mushrooms and give it a nice stir and cook it for about 2 minutes. Then she add the carrots, green beans, tomatoes, and a little bit of a salt and cook it for about 15 minutes. So some of these hot vegetables take a little longer to cook, so she start with that. She add the bean sprout, cabbage, and give it another stir, and she start to season it. So here she's adding some chili flakes, turmeric, a little extra cumin powder, black pepper powder, water, and some more salt. So by this time, the beans should be well cooked. So she add the beans to the pot with the water, and she adds some more seasoning if she thinks it needs it, and cooks it for another 2 minutes. And there you go, you have the freshly made veggie soup ready. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to see more cooking videos from my mom. I'll see you soon.